Hello everyone, Matthias, Fire Marshal again. Did you know during the Thanksgiving holiday, residential home cooking fires more than double? There are an estimated 1,400 reported home cooking fires occurring during the Thanksgiving holiday. Those fires occur 50% of the time during the hours of 10 a.m. and 5 p.m., in which time we are cooking that food so we can enjoy with our family and friends. Some safety tips to remember during this Thanksgiving holiday: never leave the kitchen while cooking on the stovetop, and keep items which may catch fire away from all heat sources. Great idea to use timers to track cooking times for the various foods that we are preparing for Thanksgiving. Remember to always cook with a lid beside your pan. If a fire occurs in the pan, safely and quickly cover it and turn off the heat source. It is important to remember never to use water or a fire extinguisher on a stovetop fire. Fire which may occur in the oven requires the oven door to remain shut and the heat source turned off. Do not open the oven door until the fire is completely out. Remember to keep the little ones at least 3 feet away from all heat sources, including stoves, turkey fryers, to help reduce incidents such as burns and other major accidents. If you're planning to use a deep fryer this Thanksgiving holiday, please remember to keep it at least 15 feet away from all combustible structures, such as decks, walls, and ceilings. Remember to always have that turkey thawed completely. It's important never to insert a frozen turkey into a vat of hot oil. Serious injuries can occur if that mistake is made. The Marshal Fire Department in the town of Marshal hope you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Rest assured, while you are enjoying this holiday, emergency crews will be on duty protecting our community. Remember, if there is an emergency, please call 911.